So guess what? We were given something from Spinmaster and Butterly to try out, to check out. Are you excited?
Let's open it.
Yeah?
What is this?
What is it? You recognize that?
Hello, Cat and Pandy. But what's that? I don't recognize that from Gabby Cats.
So it is DreamWorks Gabbys Dollhouse Paw-Tastic Pajama Party. How exciting. Let's look at the back. Let's see.
Oh, it's a mystery thing. It says mystery right there.
And now, do you know who these are?
Yeah, that's Pillow Cat and that's Pandy.
Should we open it up?
Huh. Yes.
All right. All right. That was pretty easy to open. Okay, so what have we got here? Do you know what all these things are?
Yes.
What is it?
This is the cloud and the rainbow curtain. When they have stories, they close the rainbow curtains.
Ah, all right. And what's that?
That's the chair where Pillow Cat and Gabby or Pandy sometimes swings in.
Okay, so how do you put it together? Do you know how that works?
Yes. There's a little latch right behind the star that you can connect it to.
There you go. All right, let's see here.
Okay. Can I do something?
Sure.
Oh.
I don't think it was quite latched in there, but let's take a look here. So there's a latch on the inside here.
And
Right there.
And when you latch this on and you move the cats, it moves. Like a little like a swinging chair.
All right.
Let's open this mystery box. Right?
You want to open the mystery box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look. It looks like a little cat.
Here. There you go. So it came with a little hat.
And a pandy.
How cute is that?
And a pandy.
And a pandy. Well, that's quite cute. What do you say to Spinmaster and to Butterly for sending that to us?
Wait with us. Thank
Thank you.